Hi boys and girls, so it is now time for us to go over our daily math review. Alright, so I want you to follow along and check your work. If you got it correct, make sure you give yourself a check, but if you got it wrong, it's fine, you can always fix it and then give yourself a check. Alright, we're going to get started. In the first box, it says to add 2 more and write how many. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 more to the tens frame. 1, 2. And how many does that show? Right, this shows 12 now. So make sure you write 12 down here and give yourself a check. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. It says write an equation to represent the tens frame. Okay, so I'm looking at my tens frame and I see some things are crossed out, so that means it's take away, which is minus. So I see on the tens frame, we started out with a full tens frame, so that means there were 10, and then 1, 2, 3 are crossed out, so I have 10 minus 3, and then there are 7 left. Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did. If you didn't, fix it, and then you can give yourself a check. Alright, for the next one, it says write an equation to show how many. So I'm looking, this is the tens, and this is the ones. So I need to write an equation to show how many. So I can first write how many tens there are. There's one long stick here, so that means that's 10 plus, let's see how many ones there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So it's 10 plus 4 equals 14. And this shows 14. Okay, did you get that? Give yourself a check once you did. Okay, so now we're moving on to the mental math. I want you to follow along and do it as we go. Alright? So, for number 1, okay, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did. Okay, for number 2. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Very good. Give yourself a check if you got that. Okay, and for number 3, 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did, and if you didn't, make sure you fix it and then give yourself a check. Alright, great job self-assessing your work.